Nicholas Njoku has a United Nations car plate number. For today, he's receiving a higher version of it. You are not clapping for the Lord. You are not clapping.
A round of applause, please. A round of applause, please.
Bishop. Ambassador Dr. Nicholas. Today, permit me to say this. By the virtue of what God has done for you today, you will remove the other plate number and put it in your secret car. You give it to His Excellency. The box in the touched. One of the content is this plate number. When you look at the institution there, you see ISC. As Ambassador Dr. Nicholas, I want to explain that to you. You see the colors. You also see the color of our great nation, Nigeria. This I means international. It simply means that with this plate number, if your vehicle can move from here to America, no, nobody will stop it. It is an international plate number. As the Ambassador Nicholas, I want you to know that the S of the society and the D talks about diplomats. Wherever you find yourself, because you might be called to defend it or to explain it, you will let them know that you are a diplomatic citizen. As Ambassador Nicholas, you are a diplomatic figure. You are not just a Nigerian citizen, but it is for this, you are a world citizen. When you look at the number or the colors, you see blue, you see white, and you see light green and green. The white talks about with your vehicle. Thank God you have a machine. Any country you are entering with this car plate number, you are sending a message to that nation. And they say, Ambassador Dr. Chief Nicholas, I want to let you know this. That one of the messages you are sending to them is spotless, spotless, spotless. That is the symbol, the meaning of that word. Spotless, spotless. Nobody is celebrating this. You're not going to put your hands with it. Number two, the blue and the green talks about peace and prosperity. Any country, any nation, the world you enter, you are telling them, I come with peace. I come with prosperity to this nation. And I want to let you know, as you enter to any nation, the gate of the nations will be open unto you. His Excellency, as Ambassador Dr. Nicholas, can you confirm to receive this wonderful package?
Pressmen and women. There are dignitaries here. There are dignitaries here.
Please, I want you to snap. All of it. His Excellency, please come forward. All the ambassadors. Yes,
please, let's come to this side. Allow people here to see. And allow people here to see. Not this way. You know your camera cannot
leave them.
Let's come back.
Thank you.
Okay.